Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is the information which included in the business case document. Friend, today's topic is very important, especially if you have interest in business analysis and project management. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, a business case is a project you will assemble for identifying, addressing and solving a specific business problem. The key to a business case is the change it creates in your business. Developing a business case starts with identifying a problem that needs a permanent solution. Without that lasting change, a business case is only an observation about what's going wrong. A complete business case addresses how a company can alter its strategy to fix that problem. A business case is developed during the early stage of a project and outlines the why, what, how, and who necessary to decide if it is worthwhile continuing a project. One of the first things you need to know when starting a new project are the benefits of the proposed business change and how to communicate those benefits to the business. The business case, which is first developed during the project initiation phase, contains much more detail. It should be reviewed by the project sponsor and key stakeholders before being accepted, rejected, cancelled, deferred, or revised. Depending on the scale of the business change, the business case may need further development as part of a detailed investigation. Therefore, it should be developed incrementally so that time and resources are not unnecessarily wasted on the impractical. Normally, the business case document include first of all the business need, like the business problem, opportunity, the scope and business expected value. Also, it contains the goals, root causes, gap analysis, category of situation, required, desired, options or alternative business scenarios, then recommendations of an option along with the details and implementation approach, and then evaluation, a benefit measurement plan including during operations after a project is over. I can show you a sample scope document here, business case document here. Let me show you here so that you can get an idea that what it normally contains. For example, business case document like date, project name. Also, it contains the executive summary here. Okay, then the problem, for what problem do your project address, relate this problem to the goals or mission of the organization. Analysis, provide any research or data you have collected, use this space to explain who is on the project team. Then the finances, explain how much it will cost to conduct the project, if applicable show projections for profits from your project as well. Then the possible options, outline the possible solutions to the problem. Recommendations, show why the project you selected in the best option, include any risk in your project and how will you address those problems and risks. So this is a very simple business case template which you can use it, and you can cater your requirement here as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.